DOA shrimp. And it gets results. 4-pound test. Fishing for trout. This is a baby one, but I have caught a nice one with it. A few nice ones. This is a smaller one. Yep. That DOA shrimp. Fish it like a jerkbait, works every time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Baby. And I'll take it. Especially with pretty light line. I got a 6-pound on today. Not bad. Catching trout, catching a lot bigger ones than this. But anywho. Better trout. It's still small, but we'll take it. Man, there's tons of skipper out here. Not trying to catch those. You can't help but catching them sometimes, but because they're all over the place right now, feeding heavily. But the cool thing about saltwater is, and a productive spot, you just never know what you're going to get. And each cast, you know, it might be something different. Like here, that's a trout. We'll take it. I'm sure he'll want me to drop him this trout. He got one already. He got one himself. I got one too.